all fans and all fireworks.
Whoa, Dad. Whoa, that's like a strobe light, yo.
Allie, come here. Come here, Allie. Allie, come here. That blows a warning.
Strobe light.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, it's quickening up.
I can't
Also,
hear it.
be careful.
Allie,
Look straight up.
Allie. It's quickening.
Are you videoing anything?
Yep,
I am.
I am. You guys can probably hear the fireworks. Yeah, there's like a smile. Oh, I think it's dead.
I don't know, but my video just got some burp in there. Nasty burp.
Mine too!
I did too.
And it's full of fans.
Man, I got you in the background. Oh, come here.
Flower man. Here I come. Coming. Gonna do the chili pepper madness.
Yeah, let's see. Now, let's pull out this.
Let's pull out the. I think we should do the smoke bombs. The smoke blast.
Laugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, let's do the chili pepper.
What else?
The smoke. The
Is
smoke
that all
ones.
that's left? Is
Yep.
this the smoke? Okay.
Here, do the chili pepper madness. Other way.
Got a bunch of what you do on your hand.
Well, see, we got a whole bunch of this kind of stuff.
Yeah, we should do that. Maybe we should do that last.
Don't be drinking my Coca-Cola.
Here, do the
Nasty.
What even are those?
Yeah, nasty.
Look who's talking now.
Probably can't even see.
Didn't want to die. Thinking up my room.
Y'all quit.
I didn't know thinking up it is all you think. That's okay, I'm for you, Bill.
What even is the?
On my butt.
Here, Pablo.
Oh,
Do this one.
Chili doesn't want
The chili pepper. All right, doing the chili pepper madness.
down here a little bit.
No, I'm good.
Hi, pickle.
As long as I keep my legs moving, I should be good. People can't even see if I.
Are you filming or what?
Yep, I'm filming. People can't even see. Besides the fireworks, Momo.
My pop's right there.
Should probably put a candle down here.
Where is your pop? Where is your pop?
Why would you feel that?
Yeah, why would you? Yeah, why would you throw lightener?
No, I got Sprite. I'm good. I'm
I
videoing.
call her lightener.
I can get you
I call her
an
lightener
oxygen.
because she emits light.
Mom, I'm good. Is this a light bag?
Loud headphone warning.
You didn't give us a warning on that one.
Holy!
You're nice, Dad.
Here. Now the class crackers. I gotta get back! We're doing the class crackers. It's a ton of firecrackers into a circle. This 4th of July video.
Ladybug's the spinning one.
The ladybug is the one that spinned and shot over there.
I know. I wish I would have videoed that.
I didn't even get into my video.
I didn't get that one just now.
Isn't this nice now?
Oscar, did you get that one just now?
Yeah, I got that one. I turned the camera up and like started moving the computer erratically so that any sparks wouldn't hit it. Okay. I saw a spark land right there beside you, Momo.
I've seen it fall. I'm like, oh, I'm standing still.
Stand still. Right. I think I got a... Okay, that's our only light source.
Oh, that if you don't feel any better, I do have skills. I think I just ate too much, and I think I just leaned up on myself. Well, then times would be good for that. Make sure you thank Papa for getting these.
Bro.
They let one off like we let off.
I think we're having dueling fireworks.
Do 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 do.
Now.
There's some grass on my leg.
I thought you were going to say something else.
I'm gonna
That's
drink
one of
your
them
water.
things.
Oh, those,
Kebabs.
That's not water, baby.
no, I won't.
What is it?
They're like medicinal or something. I don't know what they are, but they're
Oh,
medicinal.
it's Sprite.
Got my finger.
I told you it wasn't water, honey.
That tastes good.
It's Sprite. It's Sprite.
That's why I got Sprite too, Mom.
I got you with it. Ugh.
Ellie, you better get your butt back here, ma'am.
Get your butt back here, or else we're gonna have fried potato.
He's gonna do something else.
Ellie!
You're going to have fried bratwurst.
This is.
Ellie!
She'll get it.
Hey! Headphone warning.
Get over here, ma'am.
Ellie! Ellie, come here. Come here. Stay beside us. We don't want any fried bratwurst. Ellie, come here. Ellie! Ellie!
She'll move. Quit yelling at her.
Okay.
She'll when Papa backs up. See her. Here she comes.
This is like 500 firecrackers.
Richard Joanne gonna come out here and get us.
Didn't you tell them?
I did.
Hey, Woody!
Did you see Ellie over there?
We're having dueling fire.
We're doing. Alright, now let's do the smoke. Now we're just gonna let off some smoke in the feet. Gonna let off some smoke in the feet.
All right, Oscar, here's your little snappers. Is this the ones you just throw on the ground?
Yeah.
Here's another one.
Yeah. Here, I'll just take this box right now.
Huh?
Here, put that box back. I'll just take this one right now.
I think that done box and there's all kinds of little looses in there.
I know.
Sound warning fans.
Dum dum.
She's like, what is that noise?
You need to be inside, ma'am.
No, because it'd probably make her anxious.
Come here. Come here, turdy.
I believe that was 500 firecrackers.
Come here, turdy.
I heard that one firecracker could destroy one blue.
What's in your hand, baby?
Snappers.
Oh, steppers! Recreation center.
Here, go get a light inside or something, please.
What you're hearing right there is right across the river. And down at Bruce's.
That blue light. Oh yeah, it's them.
Why don't you go get me some steppers? There, Bubba. Why are you ripping the box like a savage, man?
I do what I do.
Okay, Bubby, hold on. We
Gotta get this in the... Okay, so this is smoke. Smoke.
Don't knock my drink over.
It's just smoke.
Which collar she's taking down?
What color are you using, Papa?
There's red, white, and blue. There's 3 of them.
Oh, you're gonna light them all together? Heck yeah.
Do we use all of them already?
There you go.
I don't know how this is going to work.
Besides the tiny ones and the snappers that you can throw on the ground, I got a pack open already.
Wave and run, Dad.
He knows.
Oh.
He did all the ladybugs already?
Yeah. There's only two.
Oh, I thought he only did one.
Oh, he did two.
Oh.
One.
Oh, she just knocked your paw over.
Dum dum.
Did you do both the ladybugs?
Mom! Your wife voice got my video.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah. Been out there and put those off before it got back.
That's good to shine the light on them.
Can you get it, Oscar, on
Yep.
the video? There we
Show
go.
smoke.
How's that showing up on your computer?
Mike. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Look at those.
Y'all want to put it with him? There you go. I can see.
Guys, there's one firecracker left.
Yeah.
That red one's dying.
We did the red one first.
The white one is still going.
Mm-hmm.
It's
The blue one's died.
the red one is still emitting some red.
That going, that white one's like going.
That white one's like, no, I won't give up. Nothing but wood. Alright, now it's just Tiny Popper Chaos now. That was Tiny Popper Chaos. Open up the crate, Purple.
Several packages of the little poppers.
Yep. Ding 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 ding. Oh my God! Now, since we can't catch any of this on camera, I'm gonna. Some flowers. It'd be nice. If only. Alright. Fans, see ya.
All right.